In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your meetings on Zoom for free. By the end, you will feel confident starting a meeting, recording it locally on your computer, and finding the finished file without any guesswork. First, open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to your Zoom account. The recording feature is tied to your account, and on the free plan, it saves recordings to your computer rather than to the cloud. If you haven't updated Zoom recently, it's a good idea to do that so the recording controls appear exactly where we expect. Next, start your meeting. You can click New Meeting to begin right away, or join a scheduled meeting where you are the host. Being the host matters on the free plan because hosts control recording. If you join and don't see the record option, you may not have host privileges yet. Once you are hosting and everyone's ready, you are set to begin. When the meeting is underway, look at the bottom toolbar and click Record. If you don't see the Record button immediately, click the More option, the three dots, and choose Record on this computer. That wording is important.
This meeting
It
is being
confirms the
recorded.
recording will be saved locally, which is the free option. After you click it, Zoom will show a small indicator to let you know recording has started, so you can continue your meeting as usual. When you are finished, end the meeting. Click End in the bottom right and then choose End Meeting for all.
The
This
recording
closes the
has
session for
stopped.
everyone and tells Zoom it's time to process your recording. Don't worry if nothing appears instantly. Zoom now converts the raw recording into a playable video file. The conversion time depends on the length of your meeting and your computer's speed. It's best not to close your laptop or shut down your computer during this step. As soon as conversion finishes, a folder window will open automatically. Inside, you will find your MP4 video file, the full recording of your meeting saved right on your computer. This is the file you can rename, move to a project folder, upload to a sharing service, or back up. If you don't see the folder pop up, check your computer's default Zoom folder, typically created the first time you record, or reopen Zoom and look in its recording settings to find the save location. That's it. Thanks for watching.